All right, today we're going to bring a docking station. Now this is going to be for our Steam Deck here. You guys can see we're going to talk a little bit more about it in front of it. There's actually a rubber area here so you can actually fit your actual Steam Deck in here. On the side right here, they give you a 3.0 USB, all right? They give you a RJ45 connection, 2 more USB 3.0, and then of course they give you the actual connection for a Type C, so you can plug in your power through there, and then one HDMI connection. Now nothing on the other side, but that's pretty much it. And all you need is to connect this Type C into the system, and it'll light up. So let's go ahead and test it out. Placing the Steam Deck in here, very simple. You grab onto the connection in here, and then all you got to do is plug it into the actual Type C, all right? And from here, we could plug in our power. We could plug in anything we want. Now we have access to all this in the back of it, so we're going to set it up and see how it works. All right, just connected the category 6 cable here, and we're going to do an update on our system to see how fast it is. So if you guys can see, we're going to go ahead and do an update, a game update. So let's go to Steam, go to downloads. We're going to see how fast we're going to download. So we're going to do an update on this one, and let's go ahead and do an update. And let's see how fast the connection goes. Now with that, we have the docking station, the Steam. Look at 7490. We're hitting good marks. Peak 475.9, which is our fastest connection we have here. So that was pretty quick. Total of 15 gigs. We were able to get 475 maximum. So we were able to download really quick in a matter of seconds. All right, let's test out the actual keyboard mouse with the actual unit. You guys can see the unit's working very well. The keyboard's working very well too. So we got it working with the Steam Deck.